and today we're going to read our book on a bit called Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are birds. They peck at trees with their sharp, pointed beaks. Woodpeckers have 4 toes on each foot, 2 point forward and 2 point backward. Woodpeckers climb straight up trees. Their long, stiff tails help them balance. Woodpeckers fly in a pattern. They flap their wings several times, and they glide. Woodpeckers tuck their wings against their body when they glide. Woodpeckers live in forests. They build nests inside trees. Woodpeckers eat fruits and nuts. They also drill holes into trees to find insects. Woodpeckers stick their long tongues into the hole. They have barbs on their tongue to grab insects. Woodpeckers drum on trees to talk to each other. A male drums to call a female. Tap, tap, tap. And that's the end of Woodpeckers, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn the notification button. I'll see you